Hi everyone, Dr. Ashley here with 3 bedtime mistakes that could be hurting your spine. Mistake number 1, sleeping on your stomach. Now, I have patients tell me all the time, Doc Ash, sleeping on my stomach is the only position that I can actually fall asleep in. It's the most comfortable. But the thing is, sleeping on your stomach will put your neck in an unnatural twist for hours on end. This can lead to muscle stiffness, achiness, and pain. It can also contribute to headaches. So here's how you fix it. It is actually possible to train yourself to sleep on your back or on your side. But if you absolutely have to sleep in this position because you can't break this habit, at the very least, put a pillow underneath your hips so that you can take away some of that spinal stress. Mistake number 2, using the wrong pillow. A pillow that's too flat or too high, again, will put your neck into an awkward position, leading to more muscle aches, more pain, and stiffness in the morning. Having the right pillow can make the world of a difference, and it also depends on the position that you're sleeping in. For the back sleepers out there, if you're going to be sleeping on a pillow, you want to use the thinnest possible pillow to make sure that when you are sleeping, your pillow is not going to force you into a chin tuck position. For my side sleepers, you want to have a pillow that's firm and that's going to fill the space between your head and your shoulders. This is going to be the best position for you. And for my stomach sleepers out there, if you must sleep in this position, you want to again use the thinnest pillow or none at all. Mistake number 3, twisting into weird positions while you sleep. If your leg is going one way and your arm is going another, that's going to lead to uneven muscle tension while you're sleeping. How you can fix this is by placing a pillow between your knees. They even have pillows that have a strap that goes around one leg to make sure no matter what position you're in, the pillow is going to follow you. Also, doing gentle stretches in the morning, if you do find yourself in those weird positions, can make the world of a difference if you do that before you grab your cup of coffee.